in inequalities, in some instances only, okay, in some instances only, the direction, okay, the symbol will change to its opposite direction. Okay, let's discuss those kind of examples. Negative 2x, which is greater than 8. Okay, in this case, we are using negative number. That means negative 2 is multiplied with x. When we take this as a division, okay, as a division, the 8 should be divided by negative 2. When we used to use negative numbers to divide or multiply, okay, negative numbers to multiply or divide, not addition or subtraction process. I'm only talking about the multiplication and division instance. In those cases, the direction will change to its opposite. Okay, change its opposite. So x should be less than negative 4. This is going to be our answer for this question. Okay, what happened here? Okay, what happened here? The negative number was multiplied with by x. When we took that as a division, okay, I took it as a division. In If we deal with negative numbers to divide or multiply, in those instances, the inequality will change to its opposite direction. Okay, let's do one more example with negative multiplication. Okay, negative m upon 3, which is less than or equals to 5. Okay, in this case, you can see the 3. Okay, 3 is a positive number. There is no any direction. Okay, no any negative direction for this 3. Negative m is less than or equals to this number. This 3 should be multiplied by 5. That will give you 15. There is no any negative multiplication or division in here. Don't change the direction of the symbol. Okay. When you think about the direction for m, okay, negative m, we can represent negative m as a negative 1m. Okay, negative m and negative 1m both hold the same meaning. Okay, both hold the same meaning. That means negative 1 multiplied with m, that will give you negative m. Okay, negative m. When we need to find the value for m, we are using, here you can see, negative 1 multiplied with m. Okay, negative 1 multiplied with m. So when we take it as a division, the symbol will change to its opposite. So m should be greater than or equals to negative 15. Greater than or equals to negative 15. These are the two instances we are used to use. The inequality will change to its opposite. Let's do one more example. Y divided by negative 7, okay, which is less than 5. Okay, less than 5. In this case, y, that is divided by a negative integer. When we take that negative integer, okay, division as a multiplication, that will become negative 7 into 5. So the direction of the symbol will change to its opposite. So y is greater than negative 35. These are the answer for your questions. Okay, in inequalities, when we use negative numbers to divide, okay, negative numbers to divide or negative numbers to multiply, in those cases only, the direction of even it has an equal mark or not. Okay, that's not a problem. Sometimes it holds equal mark also, in some cases not. Okay, that's not a problem. The inequality will change to its opposite direction. For the first question, x should be, okay, we are using negative number to divide. Okay, so the direction of this symbol will change to its opposite. So negative 5. X is greater than or equals to negative 3. So the possible x outcomes are equal to negative 3. Okay, equal to negative 3 and the values which are greater than negative 3. That means negative 2, negative 1. Likewise, these are the possible outcomes for our x in first case. When we look at our second one, negative 7, sorry, negative 394. When we take this positive 7 to another side, that will become negative 7. So negative 3y greater than negative 3. So after this, we are going to use negative 3 to divide. Okay, So in that case, the direction of this inequality will change. Negative 3 divided by negative 3, that will give you y is less than 1. Okay, y is less than 1. So y possible values less than 1 means 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. These are the, sorry, negative 1. Okay, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. These are the possible outcomes for y in this case. Okay, let's consider about our third question. In here, negative 4x should be less than negative 6 times 7, that is 42. Okay, negative 42. Then x, the direction will change. We are using negative number to divide now. Negative 42 divided by negative 4. That will give you the answer as, I'll raise. So x greater than, when you find the value for this one, this should be 10.5. Okay, this should be positive 10.5. It means x can hold the values which are greater than 10.5. When we encounter any values with decimals or fractions, we have to think about the nearby full numbers. Okay, nearby full numbers, integral values. That means x can hold the values which are greater than 10.5. So the possible outcome for x, positive 11, positive 12, positive 13. Okay, these are the x outcomes in this. Okay, in our last question, negative 2x upon 3 plus 5 greater than or equals to negative 1. Okay, negative 2x upon 3 greater than or equals to negative 1. This positive 5 will become negative 5. So negative 2x greater than, okay, it became negative 6 and negative divisional 3. Okay, the dividend 3 will become a multiplicand of 3. So negative 2x greater than or equals to negative 18. Then we are using a negative number to divide now. So x, the direction will change. So it will become less than or equals negative 18 upon negative 2. X should be less than or equals to 9. So the possible outcomes are, there is an equal mark. So you have to consider about positive 9 also, and the values which are less than positive 9. That means positive 8, positive 7. These are the possible x outcomes. That's all for this question. Okay. When we deal with these kind of inequalities, be aware. When we deal with negative values to multiply or divide, you should be aware while those arithmetic operations. Other than that, all the other remaining operations are same as our equation.